Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the new Google Maps immersive navigation. So to actually use it, you need to know first that this update didn't come to the whole world yet, but it's working in US and other countries. So you can test if it's working in your country or not. So to test that, the first thing that you can do is to just search for any landmark or known place in your country that you want to go to. So if you want to go to this place, just press on the directions button. So imagine you are going to this place and you press the directions button. After that, you need to hit on start. So now from here, you will see the mic button on the top right. That means that this update didn't come yet to your country. But if the update is actually working with you, you will see Gemini button instead. So if you click on Gemini button, the 3D immersive navigation will actually start and things will actually look like this. After that, now the immersive navigation will start with you and it will go so smooth from now on. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.